Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here with our second signal of the day, and today's signal, actually the second signal, is going to be on USDCHF. And without any more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Let's go. Okay, now that we're on our calendar, what I currently understand from this is that currently the buyers are actually beating down the sellers a little bit. And we don't have much of a grading for its forecast, but based on the news that I'm currently seeing over here, we are actually going to experience a range movement for a while. But I've seen a lot of weaknesses that is going to help us with our trade, which are all visible in the chart. So as always, I don't believe in news, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we're on the chart, we are on USDCHF on daily time frame, and what I actually see is that we have two equal lows that actually holds a lot of money below them that are eventually going to be taken. So let me just draw a level for you here and color it as blue. The blue areas were our trading zone. What I mean by this is to wait for the price come to the downside, and then you can actually have the momentum of these two equal lows that is going to help the price to move itself to the upside. But for our TPs, we have to head to 1 hour and set our TPs based on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now that we are on 1 hour time frame, what I currently see is that the price will actually move to the downside, and I have to put my TPs based on these equal highs over here because there is a lot of money up above here, and I'm afraid that the price won't actually come up to this resistance zone. So without anything to say, what I want from you as always is to sit back, enjoy the music so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful signal, I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.